Alright, we're going to do a video on GameMaker today. So open up GameMaker. In this video we're following the GameMaker tutorial chapter 10, which is competitive games playing with tanks. So we're going to start on page 192 and we're going to be starting to build the game. So the first thing you can do is click on File and make sure it says Advanced Mode. If it does not, then make sure you tick the box and restart your program. We're going to start with New. Along the top here, you'll notice there's different icons. It's under Resources, you can see the same thing. So to start with the game, we're going to create a background for our tank game. So I'm following step number 2 on page 192. All right, make sure you label things as they mention on the GameMaker tutorial. So we're going to call this one background. Okay, then you're going to load the background. It's very important that you find your tank resources folder. So that's usually under your home drive. So we can go to Computer, Home Drive, scroll down till you find Tank War Resources. Okay, then you can select background. Finally, click OK. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to work on number 3, which is create 2 sprites. A sprite is just a picture representing something moving around. So we're going to do resource, create sprite. We're going to label this SPR_wall1, and we're going to load the sprite, and we need to find the sprite. So sprite is wall1. Okay, if you can't find it, once again, go to your home folder, Tank War Resources, and you should be able to find it in there, wall1. Okay, click OK. We're going to repeat that again. So here's another way to do it. Click the little Pac-Man, which is sprite. Sprite wall2. We're going to load the sprite, and there's wall2. Click OK. All right, next we're going to create an object. So that is the resource create object. All right, so we're going to go resources, create object. Okay, we're going to name the object object_wall1. Make sure you spell it as it says on the screen. Then select that. We want to give it the sprite of wall1. Now we want the wall to be solid, and then click OK. We're going to repeat that again. This time we're going to try a different method. You click the ball. Okay, object_wall2. And then we're going to give it a sprite wall2, make sure it's solid. And we need to tick parent as object wall1. Now if you don't have this option, it's because you haven't gone into advanced mode. So make sure you have that on. Then click OK. Alright, that's it for now. So the next tutorial will be talking about creating a controller object.